Yeah, so I'm starting with chapter 3, which is bindings, props, state, and events. So in this chapter, we'll explore displaying data by binding controls in JSX template to properties of React component, how to apply CSS classes on styles dynamically, how to use the component state, and how to handle events raised on the DOM elements. So we start with CSS class bindings. In the following code, we show a button in our view using a React Bootstrap to make our button look more professional. So we must install the React Bootstrap in our integrated terminal. I think I have installed it already. We just go npm install React Bootstrap, and then it's installed for you. And then in the existing project from chapter 2, you need to reference Bootstrap CSS to our React Bootstrap GitHub, and I've done that already. We also need to import it in our app component. Let me see if it is in the app component. It is there. I think it's no longer in use because I moved forward with the chapter and deleted some of the things that I was not using that time. So now here it just creates a button for us, which is a default button, and then you can click it, you can hover around it, you can do anything to it. And then if we go to the button component and we I don't have it anymore. Removed it. Oh, it's here. To the button variant, and then we make the button danger. We go to the variant and say danger. It's gonna turn to red on my first React app. And this is where we can get more. We can get what we can add to the button. Maybe you want to change the colors. You want to change how the button is, the look of the button. So now we want to disable the button in some condition. So if the condition is valid, then you disable the button. If the condition is not valid, then the button still works. So now we've got props. So what I've learned about props is that props are read only, can't change them. And then props will contain the value of 4 assigned to the rating attribute. To access props in our rating component, we use props.rating. So in our rating app, in our rating component, we go there. Here is the rating, this state.rating. This now they're using I was using state because I was far gone in the chapter, but here in the beginning it's this prop.rating, and then the rating that you get here is the basic rating, rating 1 up to rating 5, and then we can add it to that so that maybe we can get a star on our rating. So now we're improving the look. We have to install our React icons using the npm. So now if we have this, if we add this, we are adding the stars. So if we run this, we're gonna get the ratings with the stars, but you can't do anything to them. You can't press to them. You can't hover around. Nothing. Then comes to this handling events with states. So next we want to assign a rating depending on which star the user has clicked. So with this, the on click, so now our stars are gonna be clickable. Once you click the stars, it's gonna show you that it has been clicked. Let me run it. Short. So maybe you clicked star 1 and then you click use on star 1 like this. where is it? Maybe you, on star 1, which is supposed to be 1, maybe you click the 5, it's gonna be star 5 instead of star 1. Like this. See, it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but now it's 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, because a person could click to whatever they want the star to be. Just waiting for it to run. Like this. So you see, instead of star 1, it's star 5, because now it's clickable. So chapter 3 was just it's editing the stars, adding a star and editing it so that the user is able to click to whatever they want the star to be. Instead of 1 can be 5, instead of 5 can be 1. And yeah, that's it from chapter 3.